tensyonado pero kalmado. Yan po ang mood ngayon ni Coach Julie. Pero alam kong ready na po siya para ipakilala ang last batch of Kitty Talents from the Battle Round. Coach Julie?
Alright. Itong last group ko, Kuya Dong, ipaparamdam nila sa atin na love is in the air. Punong-punong-punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Kaya naman, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. We have Tatiana, Arisha, and MJ. Ang cute ninyo, guys! Meron tayong taller, tallest.
Masayang kinakabahan po. Tumitibok po yung puso ko. Kasi po, nakita ko po si Coach Julie.
It feels surreal po to see her again. I also told myself din po na sasali po ako sa The Voice. Tapos pag umikot po ulit si Coach Julie, definitely po pipiliin ko po siya kasi there's an unfinished business between us po.
Arisha, Tatiana, and si MJ naman. So, ang na-assign na song para sa kanila ay Can You Feel the Love Tonight?
Perfect.
It's one of my favorite songs. Ako, ang expectation ko dun sa song, it's very heavenly, it's very uplifting. Parang punong-puno lang ng love.
Oh! Oh my God! I feel it all the love tonight. Wow!
Ang gusto ko sa performance ninyo ay it's very uplifting, napaka-positive ng aura, at nararamdaman ko yung youthfulness but at the same time yung pagiging, yung maturity nung bawat isa sa inyo when it comes to this performance.
It was really fun po nung kumanta po kami sa harap ni Coach Julie. Yung mga po niya, small little reactions po niya. Naging masaya po ako tapos it made my day po.
Doon pa lang sa mga solos nila, like parang, oh my God, kinikilig na agad ako. So, sobrang nakakilig talaga sila, individually and as a group.
May konting request na ako dun sa dulong-dulo. Pwede mong... Ikaw na very best. Yes! Yes! That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Yun lang!
I'm expecting na magiging ganon din or even better pa pagdating ng contest properties.
Good luck, Jules Squad!
Grabe namang good vibes yun, Coach Julie. Coach B?
Coach Jules, we really felt the love tonight. The song was as beautiful. Yung rendition nyo kasi sobrang inosente yung dating.
Yung puso yung nag-connect sa isa't isa, therefore nag-connect din siya sa aming lahat dito. Kaya sobrang salamat sa heartfelt na performance na yon. And isa lang siguro masasabi ko, mahirapan talaga si Coach Julie dito. Pero congrats ngayon pa lang and you guys did your best and great job talaga. Great job.
Thank you, Benkada. Coach Julie, it's now your turn.
First of all, I want to say thank you so much sa ipinakita ninyong performance. Actually, ito yung, share ko lang na ito kasi yung grupo na wala talaga ako masyadong mentor sa kanila or wala ako masyadong tinuro sa kanila because it's all them. What I love about them is that they're intelligent singers. Alam nila kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Inaaral nilang mabuti yung bawat letra ng kanta at kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng kanta para sa kanila at lahat yun nagtatranslate lahat sa performance nila. Individually, lumabas lahat yung differences and yung authenticity nyo respectively, which I truly appreciate because I know na sobrang malayo ang mararating nyo as artists. I'm very, very proud of you. Grabe, na-overwhelm ako dun sa emotion. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya i-explain, pero...
Pero Coach Julie, isa lang talaga ang pwede mong piliin. Mahirap na desisyon, pero sino ang uusad sa sing-offs kasama ang Jules Squad?
This is really the hardest part. And we are never going to get used to this feeling. Kasi napakahirap na desisyon nito para sa akin. But someone has to move forward and that kid would be Arisha. I love you guys. I love you guys.
Patuloy ang journey mo, Erisha. Congratulations. And of course, maraming salamat, Tatiana, MJ. Your families are waiting for you. Susunod na ang last 3 kids ng Team Believe sa pagpapatuloy ng intense na battle round ng The Voice Kids.